Alright, we're back with another video. This is just a quick little tool review video. We're talking about the Gardner Bender Cable Boss. And if you don't know what this is, or maybe you've seen it at Home Depot, but you're afraid to spend the coin on it because you weren't sure if it was going to be any good, I can tell you it's pretty cool. Let me show you. Instead of having to hammer staples in, you can just take this gun here, pop them in. It straddles the cable so you don't damage it as you go to pop the staples in. You can pull that handle down and then collapse it without pulling the trigger. That way you can stick it in a better pocket or a tool bag or something. Pretty economical too. This box here is about $7 for 200 staples, which is about the same price as the insulated staples that you'd be banging in with a hammer. Or your clines, and I'll show you that right now. This is typically how you do it. Make sure we're banging on the right side of the clines. I don't know if you know this, but your clines have a pivot point right there, and you really don't want to bang on that because if you damage that, your clines aren't going to open properly ever again. So you want to bang on this side, unfortunately, where there's no joint there. See? Both ways work just fine. People probably tell me to use a hammer. I've never really been one to use a hammer. I've always used my clines. They've always held up. But reviewing this, so back to this. This thing's awesome. Pull the trigger. And you can see they're in there pretty good. The wire's not going anywhere. The staples are still there. I mean, you'd have to really... I would trust these to hang whatever Romex you're trying to hang. The wire's not going to fall. They're in there very securely. Well, there you go. Quick tool review. No fluff. I'm rough on all my tools, so if you're curious if something's going to last, shoot me a message. We'll test it out. I'll let you know. But I'm not gentle on anything I own, and I don't keep anything that's junk. So if you got an idea of something you want me to test, let me know. Thank you.